Namaste friends, welcome to Money Master X YouTube channel. Today discussed net worth of Steve Jobs. I was lucky to get into computers when it was a very young and idealistic industry. There weren't many degrees offered in computer science, so people in computers were brilliant people from mathematics, physics, music, geology, whatever. They loved it, and no one was really it for the money. There are people around there who start companies just to make money. But the great companies, well, that's not what they are about. Steve Jobs is the youngest person. Basically, Job and I invested the Apple because we wanted a personal computer. Not only couldn't we offered the computers that were on the market. Those computers were impractical for us to use. We needed a Volkswagen. The Volkswagen isn't as fast or compatible as other ways to traveling, but VW owners can go where they want, when they want, and with they want. The VW owners have personal control of their car. Steve Jobs' most futuristic vision on the Steve Jobs, or what characterized Apple, is the seats. Scientific staff always acted and performed like artists in field, filled with dry personalities limited by the rational and binary worlds they inhabit. Apple's engineering teams had fashion. They always believed that what they were doing was important and most of all fun. Working at Apple was never just a job, it was also a crusade, a mission to bring better computer power to people. At its roots, that attitude came from Steve Jobs. It was power to the people, the slogan of the 60s. Rewrite in technology for the 80s and called Macintosh. Present in 2023 net worth on the Steve Jobs. Relevance of the by age 25, his net worth grew to an estimated $250 million. He was also one of the youngest people ever to make the Forbes list of the nation's richest people and one of only a handful to have done it themselves without inherited wealth. In 1922, Jobs bought an apartment on the top two floors of the San Remo, a mammoth building with politically progressive reputations. Steve Jobs is a young person, dynamic, creativity, most powerful ideas. 1984, Jobs bought the Jockling House and stayed and resided there for a decade. Thereafter, he leased it out for survival year until 2000 when he stopped maintaining the house, allowing weathering to degrade it. In 2004, Jobs received permission from the town of Woodside to demolish the house to build a smaller contemporary styled one. After a few years in court, the house was finally demolished in 2011, a few months before he died.